Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting new video series where we're going to explore the world of UXPin Merge together. I'm Rachel, a React developer who loves to build cool apps for myself and my clients. But before I dive into the nitty-gritty of React, I've always felt the need to plan out the layout of my apps visually, and that's where UXPin Merge comes into play. Now, you might be wondering, what is UXPin Merge? Well, UXPin Merge is a fantastic tool that's part of UXPin, a UI design and prototyping tool. It's a collaborative hub where designers and developers can come together to create stunning, interactive prototypes. Developers can also build their own layouts without designers. With UXPin Merge, developers have the flexibility to take the reins and create layouts tailored to their needs, enhancing the collaborative process even further. It's got that super familiar intuitive drag and drop interface, which lets you bring your ideas to life without the need for complex coding. One of the standout features of UXPin is its support for design systems. Design systems are like a collection of blueprints for your designs. They ensure that your projects are visually consistent across the board in terms of color, typography, assets, and web components. But here's where it gets really exciting. UXPin has taken this idea of design consistency a step further with UXPin Merge. Merge is a technology that syncs React code components from a repository to UXPin's design editor. Additionally, they offer built-in React libraries such as MUI, Ant, and Bootstrap, providing you with the flexibility to use popular open source libraries seamlessly. So you don't need to have your own design system set up. This feature adds another layer of convenience and options for designers and developers working with UXPin. Imagine a world where you can visually design your projects using a drag-and-drop interface, using your own coded React components, and then being able to grab the specs, the code, and redline for development. It's a game changer, especially for those who, like me, want to plan out their layouts visually before diving into code. What's even more remarkable is that there's no need to convert this UI into code yourself. You can simply copy clean JSX code off the design interface. Thanks to this seamless process, you can build projects at a speed that's 10 times faster than usual. This innovative approach eliminates the traditional back and forth between design and development, making the entire workflow more efficient and enjoyable. So it's not just another design tool. It's a bridge between visual design and React development. From a developer point of view, UXPin Merge allows you to visually design your user interfaces using components that you're familiar with, without needing to step out of your developer comfort zone. From a design point of view, we can visually see how our components work together, what they're capable of in the context, and how they interact with each other. Which means we can see both sides of the coin, the visual designing side, and the code we'll implement in React. If you're a one-man show like me, this will make it super easy to jump between design and development while remaining consistent. But if you're working in a larger team, this will make sure that both designers and developers are working with the same building blocks. So what's this video series all about? Well, it's about giving you a genuine window into my experience as a React developer discovering UXPin Merge. I want to share the ups and downs, the aha moments, and the solutions I find along the way. It's not a tutorial per se, but more of a transparent journey. I want you, the audience, to join me on this learning adventure. Whether you're a seasoned React developer or just starting out, I believe my journey will resonate with you. In the next video, we'll start by getting to know the user interface and playing around with it. I can't wait to share this journey with you, and I hope you find it as exciting as I do. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of UXPin Merge together.